FRC end range rotational in push-up. Set up in a push-up position with the shoulders above the hands, ensuring that the arms are kept fully extended throughout the movement. You also want to create a hollow body so abdominals braced and legs tight. Take a deep breath in and build tension throughout the rest of the body. While maintaining tension, start the movement by articulating the scapula in different directions, shifting from depression to retraction, then to elevation, followed by protraction in a circular fashion for the prescribed amount of repetitions. Ensure that you perform the movement in both directions. Focus on achieving as much range in each articulation before moving to the next position. The cue I give for this is to think about sliding the shoulder blade as you transition from the different positions, going through the fullest range possible. If it is difficult to maintain form, you can regress the movement by performing on your knees.